Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Windows ads. Windows by default has some built-in ads that promote Microsoft services and some built-in Windows features. These ads can be helpful for end users because part of these apps are also focused on some of the useful Windows features that are not frequently used by end users. Some of the ads are really just ads that promote, for instance, OneDrive folder backup, and so on. But the reason for recording this video is to show you how to disable it in your organization. Because, in my opinion, organizational computers should not display any ads or any recommendations to end users, because it's probably already configured via group policies or Microsoft Intune. It's centrally managed for end users, and users usually technically even cannot affect that. It's not their decision. The problem with the ads is that the ads are not displayed only on personal computers, which I would totally understand. So if it's a home edition, if it's a personal computer, I totally get it. But these ads are displayed also on the Enterprise Edition of Windows, on devices that are joined to Active Directory or to Microsoft Entra ID, and that's, in my opinion, wrong. So I'm going to show you how to disable these ads and promote features that are in Windows. The source of information for me is this 11 forum post posted by a user with the name of Brink. And there are 10 features that you can disable to improve the overall experience and don't show any ads or recommendations and suggestions and so on. So if you scroll down here, you see the first option is disable ads in File Explorer. Then we have disable ads on lock screen, disable suggested content in settings, disable tips and suggestion notifications, disable suggestions to get the most out of Windows and finish setting up this device, disable Windows Welcome Experience, disable personalized ads in Windows 11 apps, disable tailored experience, disable recommended apps on Start menu, and disable Microsoft accountability notifications on Start menu. If you go to this post, you can get also additional details. So for instance, if you would like to know more about this, you can just open it and it tells you more, like what it does, when it has been introduced, how does it look like, and so on. If you scroll to the bottom of this post, you will see reg files that would either enable it all or disable it all. So if you want to disable Windows ads on your personal computer, you can simply download this reg file, and the reg file will disable everything. So you just simply double click the reg file and it will change the registry settings or values on your local computer. But the reason why I'm showing you this video is to go beyond that, because this user on this forum provides you with the general recommendations and the reg files, which is awesome. But I want to deploy this for my organization that's managed by Microsoft Intune. And Microsoft Intune by default doesn't allow you to modify registries. There is no built-in feature in Microsoft Intune that would allow you to do something with registries, unlike Active Directory group policy objects, because group policy objects allow you to modify registries. That's fine. But if you manage your devices with Microsoft Intune, you need to find some other way. And that's the reason for this video. What I've done is I've created a PowerShell script, which is here. The PowerShell script is available on my GitHub gist, so it's publicly available. You don't need to memorize the location or find it on Google or something, I will post the link to this GitHub gist to the description of this video. The PowerShell script does exactly the same what's in these registry files. So it simply modifies the registries and disables all of the promo content and promo features in Windows. Now you just need to use the script in Intune. So you can simply click download zip, it downloads zip file, you extract the zip file, and there you will find a PowerShell script with the name of disable windows ads.ps1. And you simply need to add the script to Microsoft Intune. So you go to Devices, Windows, Scripts and Remediations, Platform Scripts, and create a new platform script here. You can name the script however you want. Let's just call it Disable Windows Ads. The important part is this, script settings. First, you need to choose script location. The script is located in my downloads folder because I just downloaded it from the gist. So I select it. Run script using the logged on credentials needs to be turned on, so the default value, because we want to run the script in the context of the local user, because that's what the script actually does. The script modifies the registries in the current user hive. Then you must change the enforce script signature check to no, because this script is not signed. If you would have kept it enabled, then the script would fail. And we don't need to run this script in 64-bit PowerShell host because it's not a 64-bit script, so you can keep it off. So you can keep it as you can see on the screen, and you can go to assignments. Because this script runs in user context, you should add a user group here. So I would simply take all users and click next. The last page is just a review of the settings, which is fine. I don't need to review it. I have done the configuration, so I know what's configured here, and I can create the configuration. Then you can see that the Windows ads are disabled. You see the device status, user status, it succeeded on some computers and failed on some other computers, but that's not important. You can review the configuration also here. You can edit script settings if you wish, but that's not needed. So this was a very easy way how you can disable ads and promotion features on Windows computers via Microsoft Intune. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, contact me. I will be more than happy to help you. I'm also happy that you subscribe to my Patreon account, and I look forward to showing you some other tips and tricks how to make your corporate environment better.